Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped egg white cream. First, gather your ingredients: 2 pasteurized egg whites, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. It is crucial that your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and dry. Chilling your equipment and ingredients beforehand will also help you achieve the best possible results. Now, let's start whipping. Begin by beating your egg whites on a low speed, then gradually increase to a high speed. Continue this for about 2 minutes until you see a foamy texture forming. This means air is being incorporated. Next, slowly add the 200 grams of powdered sugar in small batches, ensuring each addition is fully mixed in before adding more. To add flavor, gently incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into your whipped mixture. Beat for an additional 10 to 15 seconds to ensure all the flavors are well blended. Remember, it is important not to overbeat the mixture, as this can cause it to lose its fluffy texture and become watery, so stop once it holds soft peaks. Your delicious whipped egg white cream is now ready. For the best experience, serve it immediately to enjoy its light and airy texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, but remember it's best enjoyed fresh. And speaking of keeping things fresh, why not upgrade your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space sparkling clean effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.